Ever wondered why self-employed CVs are so different? Unlike traditional CVs, they must tackle challenges like juggling multiple clients, handling short-term projects, and maintaining confidentiality. Let's dive into why showcasing progression and stability is crucial. Organizing your CV for clarity and impact is key. Start with a personal profile, then highlight skills, work experience, and education. Consolidate freelance work under one role to show consistency and progression. Use clear job titles and group similar contracts. This approach helps recruiters quickly grasp your experience and achievements, making your CV stand out. Listing skills effectively is vital. Highlight key achievements with measurable outcomes. Use industry-relevant keywords to ensure your CV resonates with potential employers. Focus on skills like project management, problem-solving, and communication. These demonstrate your ability to deliver results across various client engagements. A well-formatted CV impresses recruiters. Use reverse chronological order and clear job titles. Make your CV ATS-friendly to ensure it passes initial screenings. Tailor your CV for each role. Highlight relevant skills and experiences, ensuring your CV aligns with the job description. By crafting a compelling self-employed CV, you'll open doors to new opportunities. Kickstart your job-seeking journey by crafting a CV with our user-friendly CV maker and professional templates.